Alright, well, the beans look done. Timer went off. And it's been 28 minutes. The countdown went down, the pressure is off. There's no pressure. I just let it go down naturally. So I'm going to open it up, let's check it out, see what happens. Well, looking at these, it looks like it's going to need some more time. Let me mix these up. Just by looking at them, they're not done. There's plenty of juice, water, whatever you want to call it, broth, but they're not done. Needs more time. Now I did this on the stove with a regular pressure cooker and it took about 1 hour. And they were done. They were awesome. So far, 50 minutes, they're not done. I'm going to add a little more water to this though, and go a little bit longer. Get some hot water going here. I'm going to add butter to it also, just for flavor. Just a little bit. I'm surprised. I should have probably put it on a different setting maybe. We'll see. I'll add a little more water and just keep going. I'm waiting for the hot water. I'm really surprised. I thought it would be done by now. Yeah, a little bit more. All right. Well, let's try this again. Cancel, bean, see, it's trying to remember now. You see something, pressure level, low, high. I'm going to put it on for another half hour. Alright, 30 minutes. We'll see what happens. I'll be back.